To ask for permission, we use can I and could I. To ask friends or people we know. For example, can I call you later? Can I help you? Could I borrow some money? Could I see you again? And to be more polite, we use may I. For example, may I ask you something? May I speak to Mr. John? We also use may I to respected people or important people like our teachers. For example, may I go to the bathroom? And to remember that always after modals there is a verb. These are the 3 important English grammar modals. I hope you will use them in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching.